that's what they call me. I promise that you never be alone.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make sushi. So we got the little sushi kit off of Amazon. Let me turn it this way. No, I want it that way. And basically there's plenty of different sushi kits. There's some with just the wood and some like this. We add our rice to the sushi. Whoop. Ah. And you want to spread your rice on. You could do the rice first also. So I'm going to spread this on. This may take a little minute. You want freshly steamed rice. You also want to rinse it off. And rinse off all the starch and stuff, which we did on this one. And just kind of spread it as thin as you could get it. And once you spread it out, you can put whatever you want on top of it. You can see here we have the seafood crab meat. Oh, it's sliding a little bit. We have the crab, we have cucumber, and we also have avocado, because we love avocado. We have the seafood sauce. This is like a yum yum sauce. That's a spicy mayo. Or you can make your own. Normally I make my own, but I just bought this so the kids can make theirs when I'm not here. But normally I make my own spicy sauce. I don't want to really share the recipe for that because I use it for my shrimp tacos as well. And I call it my BB sauce. So I don't really want to share that. But I'm just letting you know you can make your own. Well, okay. So I'm going to put the rice off to the side. Get all that rice off my finger. I'm going to throw some cucumbers on there. We're going to put some avocado. A little more cucumber. Lots of avocado. You don't want to overstuff it because if you overstuff it, it won't roll properly. And it'd be like too big. And then you can add your any kind of meat you want. Any kind of fish. I use this because it's healthier for the kids. Instead of raw fish. I of course love raw sushi. They have gotten a little older, so I mean I don't mind them eating some of the raw fish because they're teenagers now, but definitely don't give children that are younger, under the age of 13, 15, 14, whatever, but your choice. But I wouldn't give them raw fish because it could grow bacteria in their stomach. You can add a little of the sauce, the spicy mayo for flavoring. You can add a little salt, pepper if you want, but I'd rather not. So we take that off, and then we just take this here and we roll it. And as you can see, it kind of starts to fall. You want to roll that on there. Oh, that's up on it. You want to roll that on there. Oh, that's up on it. So let's just get that. This is a really big one. So once you get it like that, you want to tighten it up with the thing. Like I said, there's plenty of different sushi rollers. Some of them are wood, and it's the same technique. You tighten it. You roll and tighten. You roll it and you tighten it. Boom. So it's tight. It's done. It's fully done. You put it on here. Your edges sometimes start to come out. You just tuck those in. You put this little cutter on here. You can tighten it some more. And then you just cut. And you want to hold the side right there in the beginning so it don't come out the side. But after that, you should be good. And you just cut. And this is how you get your 8 pieces out of the roll. This is a very big one, like I said. Alright. I'm going to get me a plate to put it on real quick. It's a little plate. Oh, I think it came a little smooth. Oh, some of it started to bust out, but it's still good. As you can see, you got your stuff on the inside. You just sit it down. Move that out the way for you guys to see better. And then you just see this one kind of came out a little bit. You just fix it. It's still in there though, still wrapped tight. This one did too. That's from the cutting process. But you can just fix it. And like I said, this happens when it's too big. And I made it really big because I have. And then this is just a little extra that you'll see on the side sometimes. And then here's one we did earlier. And let me wash my hands real quick. And then you could top it. This is my favorite soy sauce. This is a refillable bag that you can use. I mean, a refillable bottle, you can use. Throw a little of these seeds on top. I like these. These are just black sesame seeds. And then you throw your sushi. I like extra sesame and I like extra yummy, so this one's mine. So this is the one we kind of took our time with. This is the one I'm finna just smash before on the go. I gotta go to a little doctor's visit. It's a quick, easy breakfast. So this is my breakfast actually. Quick, easy snack for the kids or whatever. And sometimes dinner, you go add a few things onto the side. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. Definitely subscribe for more do-it-yourselfs at home. And we appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Oh, if you want to see the sushi kit we have, it's called Sushi Quick. Right off of Amazon. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.
call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.